Oh, hey. Well, today I'm exhausted. We had a little situation in the middle of the night. Duchess, you've met Duchess. She's taking water pills, and so she has to go out more. Well, she peed on the floor. My daughter came in to our room in a frantic. I'm gonna leave the rest of the story there, but I'm sure you can fit all those pieces together. So I know I have way too much to do, so I guess today we're gonna be talking about how to get motivated when you're too tired. Let's get right to it. We've all had those days when you need that third cup of coffee. That's what this one is. Hi, my name is Danielle. I'm Miss Tired Housewife, and I try to show everyone that there is no such thing as a perfect housewife, just a happy one. So there's several things that we can do to help get us motivated when we don't really feel like doing anything. Because I could tell you this, I don't feel like doing anything today, but I know I have stuff that has to get done. So the very first thing that we're going to do, get dressed. For me, that's going to include taking a shower, and I'll meet you right back. So I just got out of the shower. Hair's still wet. To be honest, I haven't even brushed it yet. Only because I don't really brush my hair when it's wet, because then it pulls out. And my hair is really thin and fine. So the last thing I want to do is rip out my hair. Right now, I figured I would eat something. Still not feeling up to doing a whole lot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to eat. And then I'm actually going to do the second thing that is kind of helpful for if you don't have any motivation, and that is to make a list. And I'm going to be doing that here inside of my planner. This is a happy planner. I'm trying to go and figure out how to go and make it work with Flylady. So as I go through that and maybe I start to figure a few things out, I'll definitely share that with you. But I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to start creating a list. So one of the things that you can do to really get yourself motivated is to play a little game with yourself. So at the top of the hour, then that's when you're going to do one thing on your list. And I know it's, I have like 15 minutes, but hey, I'm going to pretend like it is 12 o'clock and do something on my list. So I'm going to choose something that's not going to take very long. I'm probably going to do the dishes because I like making sure that my dishwasher is empty so people can put stuff in it. Dishes are done. I'm not really feeling very motivated still. One of the next things that we can do, so we did top of the hour. So the next thing we can do is bottom of the hour. So at 12:30, then I'm going to do the next thing on my list. Until then, I have some time to myself. The next thing that we can do to try to be motivated is to reward yourself and then do something from your list. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna go and watch a couple videos on YouTube, just two. I'm gonna set myself to 2 because I like to watch all the way through and comment and stuff like that. And I think that one person that I watch, her name is Tavares Takeover. I'll go and I'll link her channel down inside the description. In fact, I think I'll actually go and put the video that I'm gonna watch. I believe that she just put out one, so I'm gonna put that down there. So I'm gonna go and watch a couple of those videos, and then I'm gonna do something on my list. Well, I was able to get the bathroom swish and swiped, so that's good. So as I said earlier, Duchess kind of peed on the ground, and so I have to do a little bit of mopping, and honestly, I am so not wanting to do that. So another one of the tactics that I'll use is I'll set a timer. I'll set a timer for 15 minutes, because as it says there, you can do anything for 15 minutes. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go and I'm probably gonna spot mop. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the whole floors done, but I'm gonna do what I can for 15 minutes, just mopping some of the floors, especially where I know that it needs to be mopped. And I'll go and I'll set the timer. Let's get to it. So that really kind of took a lot out of me. I ended up getting pretty much all the floors done with time to spare. Didn't plan on that, but that's why you could do anything for 15 minutes. That's why I like setting a timer sometimes. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm going to be taking a 15-minute break because I could do that for 15 minutes too. But then after that, I am going to be folding some laundry. I know you don't want to see me fold laundry. You've already seen me fold laundry, but I'm gonna do that and then we'll be back. All right, so the last thing that you can do to go and motivate yourself, it's really good for when you need to declutter, and it's called the 27 fling boogie. So when I was making my breakfast this morning, I saw that I have so many spices, and I looked and I actually saw that there is an expiration date on them. I didn't know that spices have expiration dates. Yeah, maybe I'm stupid, but I didn't know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little boogie on that. So typically with a 27 fling boogie, you're going to get rid of 27 things. I don't know if I have 27 spices that need to go, but I'm going to at least try to remove 10. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's go over to the spices inside my little spice cabinet and let's take a look. All right, so hopefully this doesn't get too shaky, but yeah, look at all my spices. And it was here that I noticed, take a look at that. September 6th, 2019, it's already 2020. That has to go. I hope that this one's good. This one is, oh man, November 19th. Well, November 10th, 2019. I need more seasoning salt. So there's 2. Best by, oh my God, May. There you go, it's hard to see it. May of 2017. I love my California lemon peel. I hope it's good. I really hope it's good. Oh God. March of 2014. What the heck? All right, I'm already at 4. Maybe I do have 27 things. Zesty lemon. Okay, you're gonna find out a lot of lemon stuff. I love lemon. Yay, no, October of 22nd of 2019. This is March 18th of 21. Hey, that's good. We're gonna just put that down. I'm looking. Oh, there it is. March 13th of 2015. This is sad, man. I am not happy with this. Let me see, Best Buy, November 20, I think 19. I don't know. I'm gonna put it down. I don't know what that says. I know I should probably throw it away. It's something 2021. So I know I have a little bit of time for that. Best Buy, March 11th, 2016. September of 2016. Best Buy, February 26th, 2017. This is where we're at so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2017. Well, there's 10, but I say we keep going. I mean, we're here, right? That was a lot, like a whole lot. I'm gonna go and put everything inside the cabinet again, and I'll show you everything that was expired. Look, this is all the spices I had that were not expired. That is crazy. And this right here are all the ones that are expired. So I don't know if you knew that spices can expire. I didn't. So let me know down in the comments if you knew that your spices can expire, and go check out your spice cabinet, because you never know. You might just have stuff that is completely expired and you had no idea. So now I'm gonna have to start going and getting more of these, and they're so expensive. So I'm gonna be adding to my spice cabinet right there, little by little, to make sure I get some of the ones I really, really love. So that was my day. I'm done. I'm tired. I do feel like I got a lot accomplished, even though I really didn't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like I overworked myself. I think I'm just tired from not getting a lot of sleep. Hopefully I've given you some tools that will help you get motivated even though you're too tired to clean. And hey, you know what? At least I got something done. So if you want to see more cleaning videos like this, maybe we can clean together. I promise I am a little bit more upbeat, not as tired. But if you want to see more like this, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that bell notification icon so you can see the next time that a video goes out. And I'll see you in the next video.